Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be unboxing this, my beautiful gift from myself to myself. So I recently got a DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera, which I've already posted on Facebook, and today I am going to be unboxing for you guys. I have been so meaning to get this camera. Oh, I got a I got a memory card as well. So I'm going to go upstairs, get the memory card, then come back here and talk to you guys. Okay. I actually took a very big risk. We just got to this environment, so I'm not familiar with what is happening or how they behave here. So I just left my camera, I left my DG here just to go get this, and I left my iPhone 12 Pro Max here, so just to go get this. So this is the show. All right, so this is the main event. This is the center of attraction, center of the show, and this is what we are doing today, which is unboxing of this camera. So I'm not going to, I think I need to take off this stuff. I've been so cold since morning, and I was thinking I'm going to be cold because I'm sitting outside. So this camera was purchased 2 days ago from Paris, and it cost me £619 to purchase the camera itself, £619, and the memory card was £66. So yeah, that is the cost of how much I purchased it. I'm happy we were able to get it. I think I'm not going to express myself better the way I want to, just because I'm outdoor, like I'm outside, and I'm sure that there will be noise, and I'm sure that people might be watching me from their rooms, and this place, the background is not giving all it should give. But yeah, let's start the unboxing. I'm going to be using a knife to tear this out. This nylon is coming out. Let's see what is inside. Let me know if what I ordered or if what I thought I'm going to see inside is what I'm getting. So we're done with this nylon. So the memory card I purchased was SanDisk, because I kept hearing that SanDisk is a nice memory card for this. I don't know what the guy that sold this stuff to me was telling me. He told me that it doesn't matter, that what matters is for me to get nice memory card. It doesn't matter the company that I'm getting it from. So yeah, we went for the SanDisk, because I saw that a lot of people that are vlogging, I would have sat there. The sun is over there. So I just checked the background, and I checked the video quality, and it's giving what it should give. So let's continue with the unboxing. All right, so yeah, I tore the stuff first. I'm going to tear this one as well. So there's this green stuff here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you just have to like pull off to take out this other corner, and then yeah, finally unboxing. So the first stuff here is this carton. I don't know what is inside this box, so let's see together. So this first box has, I've seen this online, I've seen it on TikTok, and I've seen it on Facebook, like YouTube as well. So this is like the pack of, it's going to be the pack of the camera itself. So this is going to protect it, because I heard that the camera can easily fall down and break. So this is like a protector of the camera. So the next item I have here is this one. Right, so we have some, nothing is inside anymore. So we have some what's it called, pamphlets, just to, is it leaflets or pamphlets? So we use it to like probably check about the camera or read about the camera. So we'll go through this letter. So this is the main deal, the main camera. I'm super excited. At first, before I purchased this, I was thinking I'm gonna cry the day I'm unboxing it, but I'm just so happy. I'm just so happy. I don't want to cry, but I'm just so happy. So this is the box, and here is written DJI. So the first stuff, I can't believe I'm touching this. Oh my god, it's so tiny. It's so freaking tiny. Can you guys see the camera? Oh my god. I'm trying to use my phone to vlog. I hope it's focusing properly. Yeah, so this is the camera. I just don't want this thing to drop. Yeah, and it has these two tiny buttons here as well. So I think these are the buttons that these are the stuff that is going to be used to control it. And by the side it has pocket 3. I'm just trying to make it focus. Anyways, that is it for this camera. And I think how they do it is, I don't know, but I'm going to check online so I don't break it. I know it's somehow you place it inside here just to protect the screen. I don't know if I'm doing it well. Well, we'll go back to this later. So my camera also have the microphone, period. So this is like the DJI microphone. You clip it here, just like this, and then you can continue, or you talk and express yourself. So it came with adapter. Okay, I think this one is the stand. So this is the stand, and I don't know what's this. Oh, this is the battery, not the stand. So this is a battery, and I think you charge it. The charger should be here as well. I don't know if I'm doing it, so I don't want to spoil this stuff. Okay, so yeah, you clip it inside this one. I think before you charge it, or once you're charging it, you clip it this way and then you charge it. So this should be okay. This one is should, in case I want to place it on a tripod. Let's say, okay, my tripod, I'm making use of my tripod at the moment. So let's say I want to place it on top of the tripod. I will just clip that. I'll remove this one and clip this. I'll clip the camera itself on this one and then directly to my camera stand. So that's the function of this one. So this is just like a hand. Insert the handle into Osmo Pocket 3 without holding the release button. When you touch and press and hold the release. So this is just like supporting system to a stand, a camera stand. I'm kind of trying to be careful. Sorry, this is my new baby. So this one, okay. This is also a stand. So let's say I don't want to clip this on that, then I would insert this straight here. Insert this straight here and use this one. But I don't think this is complete. I was supposed to have it's complete. It's looking for this tiny goodness, because I saw a lot of vloggers, they have this as well. So this is just okay. This one is my camera handle. Like, I'm just going to tie it a place. I'll just tie it to the camera so I can just hold it. Like, I don't need to hold it like this always. I can just hold this handle and move along with that. Then this one is for the mic. I've seen a lot of creators make use of this. So you just clip it in and then showing that you have a mic on you. And if you don't want to use that, there's something else I saw, which is okay. This one is for wide angle camera lens. this is for wide angle camera lens. Like I want to take a video or a clip that I need wide angle, I'll just, and it's magnetic. See guys, I'm so excited. So I just clip it on it, but if I'm not making use of it, I'll just take it off and insert it back to the pouch or to the nylon. So after that, I have the charger. Let me take this off. So I have the charger to charge the camera. They're just like iPhone 15 Pro Max charger, but I think I should just stick with this charger when I'm charging it. So that is it for this bag. There's nothing more. There's nothing more inside. These are just the stuff inside. What's this? Okay, so this is the magnet. Let me try this on for you guys as well. So for this one, if you don't want to clip it directly, you just use this magnet. It's like a magnet. Not like it's like a magnet, it's a magnet. Just click it and put it from your... it did not work. Okay, it's from this side. Yes, it worked. I'm so excited, guys. So this is it. This is what it's giving. And yeah, that is it for what is in my Pocket 3. So this bag is just like a protective bag. I'm super excited for this camera, and I can't wait to start vlogging with it. Anyway, tell me what you think. Like I said earlier on, the camera is £619 and I got it at Curry's, but you can get yours online. And if you've stayed here for like 3 years, you can actually do a contract, but I did not do the contract because I haven't stayed in this country for up to 3 years. But if you've stayed in UK or probably a country that accepts contract, then you'll be able to get this on contract and pay £25 or £27 every month. But if you haven't, then the camera itself is £619. The memory card is £66. Let me know if you love this camera, and let me know if you want to see the video quality of my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera. But until then, guys, thank you for staying tuned, thank you for watching, and please do not forget to like this video, subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.